Hi, I'm the Clack and I'm the owner of farmability.co.za. I've had to come stand here because the wind's hectic here today. And I don't want to shoot it inside because we're outdoors people. So today we're showing you the EZVIZ C3W camera. Cool little camera. So you'll see it's a 1080p camera, full HD. On the side it says night vision up to 30 meters, two-way 5-meter mic pickup. I'll show you on the app how that functionality works. 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi only, micro SD slot for local storage, which is 128 gigabytes that it can take. It can also connect onto an NVR. Dustproof and waterproof IP66. It's a little indoor-outdoor camera, built-in strobe light and siren for active defense. You'll also see when we do the app how that works. Very nifty function. 100 decibel siren. It is loud, so you attract attention with it. And then it says secure cloud storage, and then a little tick on the side says this function is only available in certain countries. Please verify the availability in your area before purchasing. So I can tell you it doesn't work in South Africa. I've tried. For now it doesn't work. Maybe they'll bring it in later. In the box is your quick guide and your drill template, so that you can fix it nicely. So this is how the little camera looks like ET. And then the IO beams on the front, and then at the bottom your little indicator to say that it's connected. So your micro SD slot at the bottom, the wind's blowing everything away. Hopefully it brings a bit of rain. So micro SD slot, that's also where you reset it. You literally just unscrew this to move it around, so easy. At the top you have your QR code, so you download the app from Google Play Store or Android, for Android, and then your Apple iOS app, and then just connect it on here. We showcase you the Android app, and then your 2-point plug that she just pops in there, and then here's place for a internet cable. So very easy and simple. You just pop it up somewhere against the wall. You can check your dam, or you can you're at your gate, line crossings, show you on the app as well. So yeah, cool little camera, very easy to work. You can connect one or multiple. So read on the link below our blog, and also if you want a link for the product, it's also down below. Next I'll show you the app. This is the EZVIZ app that you can download from Google or from iOS Apple Store. It's very easy and simple to work with. Once you're in it, you literally just tap on the image, it opens up. When you want to add a new camera, you just simply click on the plus button, and if it's on your Wi-Fi it'll connect. You just set it up, very easy, straightforward. You just input your SSID name and your password. Now when you go into settings, you can change the name of the camera so you know which area it is. Audio, cool little function. It's got a mic and a speaker, so you can talk to someone over it and they can talk back to you. In a warehouse setup it's very cool because you can communicate with your staff, and I'll show you a bit later. Now you can send them also alarm notification. When you're a burglar, you can tell the burglar to bugger off to the neighbor and rather go steal his awesome tools that he's just bought from farmability.co.za. Status light, you switch it on and off. That's just plainly to show you if it's connected or not. IR light, which your infrared light. Remember, specification from the dealer, from the manufacturer, says 30-meter IR beam, so it depends on area and your light. When you switch off the AR light, obviously your image will go down at night unless you got proper lighting there. Alarm notification, also a very cool function. We'll show you now images as it captures. You can set your notification schedule for certain days. Then, so obviously it will make you crazy if you get notices every time someone walks through it. Partial area, there you can specify a line or a block that someone walks into to get the notification. It's just a simple push notification. As long as you're on mobile connection or Wi-Fi connection, internet, you'll get the notification. Time zone, date format, Wi-Fi configuration, your storage status. You say that you wanted to record the whole day, and yeah, it shows you your memory card. We got a little 32 gig in there for now, and you can reformat it if you want to. Your images, you can encrypt it, and then you can flip your image on your camera if you are on a tight spot where you need to put it in. There's your motion detection. It just came in, and then you just flip it right side up again. So literally when you're in a tight spot and you need to adjust it, easy as that. There we go. Sleep mode when you want to turn it off, and your user guide. You go out, back into that camera. There's your speak functionality. We can't use it now because we are recording on the app that screens over this. But yeah, you just literally press it and then you can talk over it. There's your little camera alarm, and it beeps. And then obviously you can attract attention with it. You can take a snapshot of your screen, and you can also record that section so that you can see it. You can also share it. There's your little share button. You type in email address or mobile phone number, any remarks, your device and permission that they will have. And there's your playback that you can also do on it. You can also view your video history. So let's go a bit back. There you can see this morning someone. Is there anything going on in the warehouse? Let's have a look. Nothing. Absolute silence. And let's see, there we go. There's people coming in again. Alright, so that's the brief of it. There's a little cool camera, lots of functionality, very easy, 2-point plug connected onto the Wi-Fi, and off you go. If you like the video, please subscribe, leave your comments below, go check out on farmability.co.za, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Google, and yeah, feel free to review any products and leave a comment on the blogs. Have a good one. Ciao.